Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change music on Instagram post. If you're using Instagram and now you want to change music of your Instagram post, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your Instagram app and here just go to your profile in the bottom right corner, and from here you have to select the post of which you want to change the music, and here just tap on these three dots in the top right corner, then tap on this edit option, and here you can see there is unfortunately no any option to edit or change music of your post. So you just have to tap on the cancel in the top left corner. So now what you can do, you have to create a new post with the same video or photo, or you can easily change the music from there. So simply tap on this plus option, then select post. Once you have selected, simply select the photo which you want, then tap on this next option, and here you have to tap on the music, and from here you can easily select the music which you want to set. For example, I'm going to select this one. Just select the music, then tap on this next option, and here tap on next again, then tap on share. So in this way you can easily change the music on your Instagram post. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.